Greetings to my unified family. As we approach this season of joy, I find myself reflecting on the incredible journey we've taken together this year. Through the challenges and triumphs, it is your unwavering belief and mission, your dedication and your partnership that brought us to where we are today. Christmas is not just time to celebrate, it's a time to connect. In this moment, I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you, to our members who tirelessly champion our mission, to our stakeholders who believe in the vision that we are building together. You are the heart and soul of Unified Products and Services. This season reminds us of what truly matters, the relationship we nurture, the lives we impact, and the purpose that drives us forward. Let us embrace the spirit of giving, kindness, and hope, not just for this season, but as a guide for the year ahead. From my family to yours, I wish you a Christmas filled with warmth, laughter, and love. May the coming year bring us even closer to our shared dreams with greater opportunities and success for all. Thank you for being an irreplaceable part of this journey. Together, we are stronger, and together, we will continue to make a difference. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From your President and CEO, Manny Pascual.